Hi, Kimmy, how are you?
I'm good, Julie. It's really nice. Thanks for you to have me here.
Kimi Singh is joining us from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. She is a luxury curator and a co founder of Elements. She also has started a wellness space, especially for women. So, let us talk about her journey as a luxury curator as well as, what she does as her passion in wellness space. Kimi, welcome to Emerging Trends. So,
Thank you so much.
so Kimi, do you want to tell our viewers a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, Julie, I'm a fashion designer, luxury curator, and fitness enthusiast.
Okay.
So I'm the co-founder of the company Elements, where we organize luxury pop-ups. We handpick labels and designers which resonate with our personal aesthetics. And we see that what city demands too.
So, Kimi, tell us post COVID, since you've a little bit gone into the health and wellness space, post COVID, why the health has become very important and, what has been your feedback? Because I've seen on some of your posts that you've been posting some very healthy recipes, very interesting recipes, actually.
Thank you. See, wellness has always been a passion to me, and staying healthy and fit has always been a priority to me.
Okay.
Maybe I would say thanks to COVID that it has given us time to really think about that what has been very important in our life. And most of us realize that yes, health is the utmost priority. So this is how even I felt, and which has always been my priority. So I thought of learning more in that, taking it ahead. So this is how post-COVID, I feel most of us have realized the importance of good health.
So, Kimi, tell us, you've been posting some very interesting recipes. So, how did you come up with that? And did you experiment? I understand that that is not something you do commercially, but it's just for the wellness space and your passion, you're doing it.
I think maybe that I could say thanks to COVID because that gave me a lot of spare time.
Okay.
And being a really health freak, I felt that, and now we were restrained not to eat from out. We were trying to, and I think good food does give happiness.
Okay.
So I thought of trying new things, and I even was pursuing course. I just did a course from Harvard University on cognitive fitness,
Okay.
and now I'm pursuing a course on food and nutrition from Stanford University,
Fantastic.
which I'm thoroughly enjoying, and seeing that yes, I can definitely create something different. So with substitutes like instead of sugar, and most more of the time I'm using jaggery.
Yeah.
So instead of the simple chocolate, I'm using dark chocolate, which is so healthy. It has flavonoids, it's anti-aging, so much.
Yeah.
So I don't know, maybe the spare time or the thing to take it ahead, because in the starting when this COVID thing started, the first few days I had a lot of anxiety.
Yeah.
I really felt that what's happening to my life, because my meetings, there was nothing like to look forward.
Right.
So this creating my own recipes and then coming out so delicious and nutritious,
Yeah.
really took me a step further.
That's fantastic. So, Kimi, since you have years of experience and you've been working all your life, do you have any particular advice? Because I think post-COVID it is such an uncertain situation for a lot of young girls, and I think, do you have any advice to give to inspire them to keep them going and to pep them up maybe?
See, first of all, I would love to tell all the women that never stop learning something new, whatever your age is, because knowledge is power.
True.
It really broadens your horizon. And the more we learn, we become more strong, more positive, more confident, self reliant. So, that kills your ego. Creativity has either you get more anxiety, or you get into a line of learning something new. So that really makes you confident. And another thing I would like to tell women is that women should support women. They should make each other stronger. You know, when you try to make others strong, that makes you even more stronger.
Very true.
So it's a very simple philosophy. Keep learning something new. Broaden your horizon. The sky's the limit.
I think that's a great advice. So, Kimi, you have gone from being a designer to a luxury curator to a passionate wellness enthusiast. So, what is next for you?
Next, I would definitely like to take my curation ahead for sure, where I want to support the young and the upcoming artists, the designers. And definitely, I want to take my wellness ahead. So because of that, I'm doing these courses, which I really feel have enhanced my knowledge in these fields. And I'm really thoroughly enjoying it.
So the last question is, which is a very interesting question, because you said that you were very anxious, and I think all of us were, even I was very anxious that what's happening. So what motivates you? What keeps you going every day when you wake up in the morning?
See, there's something very interesting I read, Julie, that if you cannot fly, then run. If you cannot run, then walk. Just keep moving forward.
Yeah, true.
So when you open your mind and see the brighter side of life, life is beautiful. Absolutely. So you have to motivate yourself and others also to just go ahead in life. You will definitely find some beautiful ways for yourself.
True, very true.
It's just being positive.
So that's a fantastic advice for young girls who would be watching this channel. Kimi, thank you so much for being here. It's been pleasure having you. In Ahmedabad, most of us know as Kimi, the most charming individual. And I think you really, really inspired these girls. If you are watching my channel for the first time, we have wonderful women like Kimi on this platform on a regular basis. So do subscribe. You want to know a little more about what Kimi does as luxury curator and in a wellness space, do read the description with this video. Thank you so much, Kimi, for being here and taking your time.
It was very, very interesting having a chat with you. Would love to have more sessions like this again.
Thank you so much, Kimi.